Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most breathtaking luxury homes from around the world. Today, we're in Pinecrest, Florida, touring an extraordinary French chateau-inspired estate priced at an incredible $16,995,000. This brand new masterpiece perfectly blends timeless European elegance with modern luxury living. As we approach the property, the first thing you notice is the grand entrance. A long, private driveway lined with lush landscaping leads you to this stunning residence. The symmetrical architecture, elegant stone facade, and warm lighting create a truly royal first impression. This isn't just a house, it feels like a palace. Stepping through the front doors, you're welcomed by a magnificent double-height foyer. Marble floors stretch beneath your feet, while a breathtaking chandelier hangs above, instantly setting the tone for the rest of the home. The elegant arches and detailed finishes reflect classic French design, while the open layout keeps everything modern and inviting. Moving into the main living room, you'll find a perfect balance of luxury and comfort. Large windows flood the space with natural light, highlighting the soft gray, cream, and blue tones throughout the interior. The designer furniture, custom lighting, and refined textures make this space ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. Just beyond, we enter the formal dining room. This space is designed to impress, featuring a long dining table, stylish chairs, and a statement chandelier that creates a warm and intimate atmosphere. Whether it's a family dinner or a large gathering, this room is built for unforgettable moments. Now let's take a look at the heart of the home, the kitchen. This chef's dream kitchen features high-end appliances, sleek cabinetry, and a large central island perfect for cooking and socializing. The open design connects seamlessly to the family room, making it the perfect space for everyday living. The family lounge offers a more relaxed setting, complete with comfortable seating, a large TV wall, and soft ambient lighting. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day or enjoy movie nights with family. One of the standout features of this home is the private home theater. Designed for a true cinematic experience, this space offers plush seating, advanced sound systems, and a luxury atmosphere that rivals any commercial cinema. As we explore further, we come across one of the two primary suites located on the ground floor. This bedroom is spacious, elegant, and filled with natural light. The ensuite bathroom features marble finishes, a soaking tub, and a glass-enclosed shower, creating a spa-like experience at home. Heading upstairs, we find the second primary suite, and it's just as impressive. With its own private lounge area, luxurious bathroom, and custom dressing rooms, this space feels like a five-star hotel suite. The additional bedrooms throughout the home are equally well designed, each offering comfort, style, and privacy for family members or guests. Now let's step outside and experience what truly makes this property special. The backyard is a private resort. A stunning swimming pool takes center stage, surrounded by elegant water features, fountains, and beautifully landscaped greenery. There's a covered terrace for outdoor dining, a summer kitchen for entertaining, and plenty of space to relax and enjoy the Florida sunshine. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening, this outdoor space offers the perfect setting for luxury living. The property also includes a spacious garage, smart home technology, and every modern convenience you could ask for. Located in one of Pinecrest's most prestigious neighborhoods, this home offers privacy, security, and close proximity to top-rated schools, making it ideal for families. This is more than just a luxury home, it's a lifestyle. A perfect blend of classic European charm and modern design, built for those who appreciate elegance, comfort, and exclusivity. What do you think about this incredible mansion? Would you live here? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing luxury homes. Thanks for watching American Dream Mansions. We'll see you in the next video.